We're all grown-ups now, but occasionally we still like to indulge in the foods of our youth. And for me, that's a classic PB&J, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, you're going to add in all your peanuts to a food processor, and then just blend it up until it's smooth but a little chunky. This is the consistency we're looking for. This will take about 5 minutes in a food processor, but for the most part, it's still a tiny bit chunky, but it's starting to get smooth. Next, we're going to add in a stick of butter, and this will just make the peanut butter much more smoother. Alright, this is the consistency you're looking for. Next, we're going to make some strawberry jam. So you'll need about 2 pounds of strawberries, and you're going to start by cutting off the tops of everything. And a lot of these strawberries are pretty chunky, so I'm also going to divide them into quarters. Next, we're going to measure out 550 grams of sugar. Alright, next you're going to add your sugar to all your strawberries and mix it up really good. And then you're just going to let it sit like this for about 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, and what we're going to do is just mash these strawberries. This would work better with a potato masher, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use this spatula. So you want to mash these down as much as possible before we start cooking the strawberries. So we're going to cook the strawberries on medium-high heat. Then once they start to boil, then we're going to cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to add in some lemon juice. And then just keep stirring periodically so they don't stick. To test if this jam is ready, we're going to put a little bit on a plate and leave it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and then it should be sticky. That means it's ready. Okay, so this has been in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes, so we're going to test to see if it's sticky enough. Yep. Nope, it's pretty sticky. So this means it's ready. All right, now it's time to make our sandwich. Now that's just a perfect adult PB&J.